Hello, and welcome to Get Fit with the BodySmith. I am your host, Flex Smith, and I'd like to thank you for stopping by today. Now, here's what you can expect. If you are someone who has a little bit of trouble finding time to work out throughout the course of your day, today we are going to provide you with a quick lunchtime workout. Nice and simple, nice and easy. You can squeeze it into your day, and you'll definitely feel your body working for you. So, what's most important is I'm looking for you today to have your aha moment. Now, what is that? That is you understanding what we're doing, okay? Giving yourself the opportunity to be present, to also understand how to connect your mind to your muscle, and most importantly, get what you came for. So let's have a good time, let's have our aha moments, and let's utilize this lunchtime wisely, all right? So here we go, let's get this workout started. All right, so here's what we're going to begin with. We always start with a nice warm-up, and today we're going to start by jogging in place. This is what we're looking for as warm-up number one, okay? There we go. So again, nice and easy, good pace here, giving yourself an opportunity to feel that body work. So we're also doing a full head scan, full body scan from head to toe. There we go. So we're moving here. Legs up, nice and high. There we go. Beautiful job. Keep working. There we go. Keep working. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, we're going to switch to side hops on a 45-degree angle. This is what it looks like. Out, in, okay? Jumping side to side. Here we go. Out, in. There we go. Jumping side to side to the right. This is what we're looking for here, keeping that body moving. And again, we're working for 30 seconds, jumping on a 45-degree angle to the side. Here we go. Still working. All right. And we're going to switch in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There it is. Look how smooth we just transitioned to that other side. There we go. And all we're doing here is warming that body up, getting that blood flowing, and preparing you for what we're going to do during this time. There we go. Let's keep working. Side to side on a 45-degree angle, going towards the left here. Still working. Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to take 30 seconds to recover. Again, thank you for being present here today. Thank you for using your lunchtime wisely, of course. All right, so go ahead and grab a quick sip of water. I'm going to go ahead and do the same, all right? And we're going to get right to it. There we go. Thank you for joining us today. We'll begin again in 10 seconds. We're going to start with all 3 of those exercises again for the warm-up. We're jogging in place in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go, working. All right, and from the side, you can see I'm not doing high knees. I'm simply going into a nice and light jog. I'm nice and light on my feet, on my toes, okay? And I still have that body moving here, okay? Here we go, 10 seconds left. And this time, now that you have a deeper understanding of what we're doing, you can pick up that pace just a little bit. I know you can, come on. 3, 2, 1, side hops to the left, here we go. Again, as you can see, I'm jumping forward, jumping back, jumping forward, jumping back. There we go. Aiming in this direction here, 45-degree angle, side to side. And if you're unsure how to do this, look at the footwork. Check out that footwork there. There we go. Looking good here. We have 5 seconds remaining. 4, 3, 2, and other side. Here we go. Again, you might have got a little twisted there with the footwork. Take your time. We'll get into technique before we start to move into tempo. I'll talk about that a little bit later. But for now, still warming that body up on that 45-degree angle with those side hops here. Good job. Great job, 10 seconds. Let's work. Here we go, still working. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Let's go. There we go. Let's go ahead and grab a sip of water here. You're doing a great job. How you feeling so far? Nice and warmed up yet? Can you feel your body working for you? Excellent, me too. I'm gonna join you. Grab a sip of water here. We have 30 seconds before we begin our next round of exercises. So for anyone who's new here, we thank you for stopping by. We thank you for joining our workout for today. We've already gotten to warm-up phase number 1. Now we're gonna go into workout warm-up phase number 2. We're gonna do jumping jacks, and we're gonna follow it up with some squats, okay? For 30 seconds, all right? We're still in a rest period here, so give yourself an opportunity to wipe your face dry, okay? Drink that last sip of water, because we're gonna begin in 5, 4, jumping jacks, 3, 2, 1, here we go. Here we go, hands are all the way up here. Hands are all the way up here. Those are the only ones that we're counting is when those hands go all the way up and touch. There you go. There you go. And for my military family that may be watching right now, you're familiar with the term soldier eagle. Soldier eagle. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Excellent work here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to go into our squats now. So again, I'm going to turn to the side so you can watch what's happening here. All right, your standard squat, your feet shoulder width apart, okay? We're going to hip hinge. We're going to push back before we lower. We're going to push all the way back. Open up those hips. Sit nice and deep. Push through your heels. Squeeze the glute. That's what we want right there. Sit all the way back. Sit nice and deep. Push through your heels and squeeze the glutes. Here we go. 30 seconds. Sit all the way back. Sit nice and deep. Push up through your heels and squeeze those glutes. Again, sit back. Beautiful job. Sit down. Excellent work. Come on. Push up. Good. Squeeze those muscles. Sit back. Sit down. Push up and squeeze those glutes. We have 10 seconds here. Sitting back. Good. Sitting down. I see you. Keep working. Pushing up. Squeeze those glutes. Good. Sit back. Last one. Sit down. Good. Push up and squeeze those glutes. Here we go. We're going to jog in place for 30 seconds. We got some active rest going on right now. So if you need a sip of water, go ahead and grab it. Go ahead and feel free, get a sip of water. But again, in the next 30 seconds, we're going to get right back to doing some jumping jacks, and we're going to get back into some squatting, okay? So keep on working for me. Matter of fact, keep on working for you. You're doing an excellent job here. Good. All right, here we go. 10 seconds left. Hopefully you got that sip of water you needed. All right. Here we go with jumping jacks. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Up and down. There we go. Still working here. There we go. We're going to make the best use out of this lunchtime. Yeah. We got that blood flowing. That heart rate should be going up. And the sweat should start coming down. There you go. Still working. 10 seconds here. And then we're going to go into those squats. Keep on going. Here it is. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. I'm going to turn to the side here. Again, your standard squat. Feet shoulder width apart or outside that shoulder width. We're going to hip hinge. Push all the way back. Sit nice and deep. Good. Push up and squeeze. Excellent job. That's what we want. Sit back. Sit down. Good. Push up and squeeze those glutes. Good. Sit back. Excellent job. Sit down. Good. And if you feel like you're tipping backwards, that's a good thing because that means your weight is in your heels, and that's where we need it to be. Push up and squeeze. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful job. Squeeze those glutes at the top. Go ahead and grab another sip of water. We are now in a 30-second rest period. Again, still using that active rest time. I need you jogging in place. Can we do that? Good. Excellent work here. Looking excellent here. So here's what we have next. Okay, now we're going to get into the actual workout of the day. All right. So I'm going to have you go into hand walkouts into a push-up. It looks like this. We're going to walk out, confirm that plank, drop, back up, walk it back up. We're going to do that for 30 seconds. Okay, we got 3 exercises coming your way. This is the first one. I want you to work on this first. So here we go. Down, good. Walking it out. Take your time. Feel those positions, right? Land into that plank properly, okay? If you need to modify this push-up, bring the knees down, go into the push-up, boom, bring the legs back out, walk it back up. That's what we're looking for. 10 seconds, still walking it out, okay? Achieve that plank, down into that push-up, good. Walking it back up. So that's exercise number 1, all right? Exercise number 2, we're building on what we're already doing. We're gonna walk into that hand walkout. And we're gonna go into mountain climbers here. This is what we are not looking for. This is what we should not see. We should not be doing this, okay? What I need us doing is this right here. Stabilizing that upper body and activating that core, all right? This is what you want. There we go, still working here. Good. Driving those knees towards the chest. Beautiful job here, good. You have 5 seconds remaining. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna go ahead and drop into a plank, okay? So down on the forearms, we're gonna stretch those legs out and engage those abdominal muscles, okay? I need you to hold here for the next 30 seconds. Can we do that? Beautiful job, all right? Now I hope that you do have an extra change of clothes because you will need to return back to work, okay? I'm pretty sure you wouldn't want to be sweating like this throughout the rest of your day. So as we come to a close, be sure to switch your outfits, give yourself an opportunity to cool down, catch your breath, and also replenish your water. There we go. We're holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Beautiful job. Let's go ahead and grab some water here. I'm gonna do the same. I like everything that I see from you right now. You're looking good. Are you sweating like me? Good. You can see if you do things properly, you're gonna be just fine. You're gonna burn those unwanted calories. You're gonna get rid of that unwanted body fat, and you're gonna feel good. You're gonna feel great. You're gonna feel accomplished. Keep up the good work, all right? We have another set coming your way. 10 seconds. I'm gonna come from the other side this time. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hand walkouts into that push-up. So here we go. Achieve that plank. Down, push up, walk it back. Stand tall. That's what we need. Hands down, walk it out. Achieve that plank. Down into that push-up. Yes, there you go. Walk it back. Beautiful job. Stand tall. Yes, down. Good. Walking it out. Again, if you need to modify, once you get into that push-up position, drop the knees. Okay, lean forward. Push back up. Stretch those legs out and walk it back up. Great job. Next up, we're gonna go into the mountain climber here for 30 seconds, all right? So back into that hand walkout. Here it is. Into that hand walk. Here we go. Driving those knees forward. You should feel a lower abdominal crunch. There we go. You can see the water just falling right off my body. I'm hoping that the same thing is happening for you because you're working to your best ability. There you go. Still working here. Driving those legs forward. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down into a plank here for 30 seconds. Here we go. Palm down. We're on those forearms. We're gonna stretch those legs out and we're gonna engage those abdominals. There you go. You're doing a beautiful job here. Oh, we thank you so much for joining us today. Keep those abs engaged. And if you get tired, watch out for this, okay? If you get tired, bring the hips up, okay? But I need you to stay in that plank position. Keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Woo, yeah, you feel that? Excellent job, because I do too. All right, let's grab a sip of water. Hope you're feeling good. I know I am. So here's what we're gonna do before we close out. We're gonna do a squat with an alternating floor touch. And what that looks like is this. We're gonna squat, touch, back up, touch, okay? From the side, I'm always pushing back when I go down. Hip hinge, boom, back up, boom. All right, 30 seconds is all we need, and then we're gonna go ahead and check out, all right? So here we go. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Jump out, tap, back in, tap, good. Back in, tap, good. Back in, tap, good. From the side, I want you to see what it looks like. Jump out, tap, 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 okay? Tap, here we go. 5, good. 4, good. 3, wonderful. 2, and relax. Great job. All right. We're gonna take this time to check out. I know you gotta return back to work. We thank you for taking this lunch time to spend with us. But before we go, I need you to bring that body back into balance. All right, so what I'm gonna ask you to do is, if you feel comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes. And we're gonna take some nice deep breaths in through our nose, so nice big deep breath. I need you to allow that oxygen to pass through the lungs, to fill the belly with air. This is what I need, all the oxygen right here. And as you go to squeeze out that oxygen through the mouth, I need you pulling your belly button into your spine. Think about taking a photo and trying to hold your stomach in. That's technically what we're doing here, okay? Again, nice deep breath in through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Nice big deep breath in through the nose again. Allow that oxygen to pass through the lungs. Fill that belly with air. And go ahead and squeeze and exhale it all out. And if you're doing what is known as the vacuums properly, you should be able to still squeeze and hold that belly button into your spine as you're talking, like I'm doing right now. As you're breathing, like I'm doing right now. It should feel like a natural part of just life. This is gonna give you more ab control, more lung capacity, and definitely more oxygen and power through all of your movements. One more time, here we go. Nice deep breath in through the nose. Fill that belly with oxygen. And go ahead and exhale. Thank you so much for joining us today and taking this time out to focus on you, because you do matter. Self-care is so important. Thank you for your time during your lunch break to be here with us at Be Well TV. Again, you can find more content, more episodes, and more resources to help you on your health and wellness journey at BeWellTV.online. Thank you for stopping by. We'll see you soon. Have a great day on purpose.